In this video, you'll learn how to convert small cryptocurrency amounts on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to efficiently manage and convert your dust assets into more usable cryptocurrency. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once signed in, locate the wallet section, which is typically found in the top menu. After accessing your wallet, search for the feature that allows you to convert small balances, often referred to as Convert Dust. This feature is essential for preparing your small balances for conversion. Next, within the Convert Dust interface, you will see a list of eligible dust assets that can be converted. Review this list carefully to ensure the conversion option is available for the assets you wish to convert. This is a crucial step as it ensures you are selecting balances that are eligible for conversion. Once you have identified the small balances you want to convert, select the specific cryptocurrency amounts. The interface will display the estimated conversion value for your selected amounts. After confirming that the values are satisfactory, proceed to confirm the conversion securely. Typically, the conversion will result in Binance Coin or BNB, which is a widely used asset on the platform. Remember to save any confirmation details provided after the conversion. After completing the conversion, it is important to verify your new wallet balance. You can do this by navigating back to the wallet section and checking the updated balance of the converted asset. Additionally, review your conversion history to ensure that the transaction is processed correctly. Keeping records of your conversions can be beneficial for future reference. If you notice that the converted asset is missing from your wallet balance, it is advisable to contact Binance support for assistance. They can help resolve any issues that may arise during the conversion process. Following these steps will ensure you successfully convert your small crypto amounts on Binance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.